Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Token Methender. In this video, I am going to share most important news about this project Token Methender. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. This the business importance of promoting the adoption of token method as a means of payment. So guys, you can scroll down and check here. You can see this important news. The municipality of Pineomer joins the adoptions of blockchain payment technology, the decision by Token Methender SA to continue visiting businesses and entrepreneurs such as those in the you can check out you can see this innovation ecosystem applied to real world commerce. These actions are directly organized and coordinated by the company's Lindro Venture, who together with his operation team structures and guide the territorial deployment of token Mithrander representative. Guys, you can scroll down and check here the business benefits of accepting token method. Financial modernization business that accept method integrate blockchain technology into their payment system, joining the global wave of financial digitalization. You can check access to a global decentralized market, circular economy with social impact. You can check differentiation and brand positioning. You can see direct link to the Mithrander ecosystem. Businesses gain access to events, fair, educational campaigns and promotions within the ecosystem. Guys, you can check here all the importance of this project. Token Mithrander decentralized operational leadership as a chief operating officer of Token Mithrander has established an agile decentralized structure that enables local representatives to actively engage with key areas across the country, promoting real world adoption of the token. You can read carefully, join the new economy. So guys, you can join the new economy now. You can check here the more info. You can see this official website or token with thunder. So guys, you can see this and more information about this project. You can written by token with thunder. You can see this now. You can see this more from token Mithrander. You can check more news about token Mithrander project. You can check here. Next guy, we go to the further details. So guys, you can check here token Mithrander SAS and it includes sign strategic partnership for technological inclusion. You can check here. You can see token Mithrander, a leading company in blockchain solutions with social impact, announced the signing of collaboration agreements with include an innovative platform dedicated to digital inclusion through a real-time voice to sign language translator. You can check here. You can see this more information available on their official website. You can check here. You can go to the website now. You can see these key components of the agreement: development of accessible educational content, inclusive workshops specifically designed for visually impaired individuals, optimization of digital platform, collaborative tools and digital publications, a shared vision of inclusion. You can check leadership statements. You can see this you can check here conclusion. You can see this token method news. You can check here all is the news detail about this project. And next you can check here the token method SAS white paper. You can scroll down and check here introduction. The Mithrander token is a fungible digital asset developed on the Cardano blockchain, designed to actively integrate into the decentralized financial ecosystem of token Mithrander and serve as a functional instrument within the Mither based system. You can check all the introduction. You can read carefully. You can check technical specification. Token name Kerka Mithrander, ticker and symbol Kerka, type fungible token, network Cardano, total supply. You can check here decimals 2, minting policy, fixed supply, creation date June 2025, issuer token Mithrander, capitable marketplace, MinSwap, SundaeSwap, future pools such as Mither. You can check here Charka token objectives, financial collateral within the Mither ecosystem, spot for decentralized rural project, tokenization of land and rural labor value, integration with the Mither token, practical example. You can check uses and features. You can see this all is the uses, total token distribution of Charka. You can see this conclusion. You can read carefully all day. You can go to the further detail. The token Mithrander SAS stand out at Smart City Expo. You can check here, you can scroll down, check here the company. You can see this company pictures. You can check here, you can see this all detail. You can read it carefully, all is the detail. And next you can go to the token Mithrander and the book Memory of World. You can check here, Memory of World is a landmark publication in Argentina, environmental history, first released in 1991. You can check here core principles of our environmental work. Number one, interaction between society and nature. Number two, historical impact of colonization and modernization. Number three, a call to ecological action. You can see this connection with token Mithrander. Number one, environmental education grounded in history. Number two, contextualizing green tokens with real history. Number three, tokenizing community environmental actions. Number four, narrative legitimacy and local engagement. You can check a practical proposal. Community course, tokenized ecological histories, creation of educational NFTs, conclusion. You can check here all there. You can see this, and next you can check here the importance of teamwork between Token Mithrander and the Goma Youth Startup Project. You can check here the importance, the strategic alliance between Token Mithrander SAS and the Goma Youth Startup is a clear example of how international cooperation rooted in innovation, solidarity, and decentralization can transfer complex reality. The educational terms of both organizations were coordinated by Jospin UVSB, an outstanding professional whose leadership was essential to the success of initiative. You can scroll down, check here the picture. The collaboration took place at Polytechnic University of Goma, a renowned academic institution that provided an ideal setting for his transformative partnerships. You can check here, you can see this, you can read carefully all tale. So guys, our website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.